Today also we will do regular grammars. Today also we will do regular grammars. Okay. Okay. So, can you give a grammar for A star, B star? Can you give a grammar for A star, B star? अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है, दरवाजे को गुंडी मारो कोई ना अंदर आने पाए, आरबीआर को समझा दो म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना पाए, टकर टकर जो फील करे वो जाके 2 कप कॉफी पी ले, जिसको डांस नहीं करना है जाके अपना बेस्ट चलाए. Here I am playing music. This is music. Dance with your brains. Dance with your brains. जी भर के नाच ले बेबी, नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल, आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो आरबीआर कर लेगा हैंडल. Dance with me. Dance with me. A star plus A star B star. Write the grammar for this and post it in Telegram channel. Write the grammar for this and post it on Telegram channel. I'm seeing your Telegram channel. Write the grammar and post it in the Telegram channel. I am seeing your Telegram channel answers. Write the grammar and post it in the Telegram channels. A star, B star. अच्छा, किसी ने ये दिया है, अनिरुद्धा ने आंसर दिया है कि, अनिरुद्धा का आंसर ये है कि S derives AB, SS और एप्सिलॉन. ये क्या होगा भाई? ये होगा A B star, है ना? What I want is A star B star. What I want is A star B star. But here we got AB star. But here we got AB star. But here we got AB star. So वो आंसर नहीं है. That is not the answer. ठीक है? Hello? Class లో ఉన్నా. మెసేజ్ పెట్టు. మెసేజ్ పెట్టు. రమాబాయి కాదు, కేవిఎన్ సునీత. ये आंसर भी सही है जो शशांक ने दिया है. शशांक ये आंसर दिया है. ये डिराइव्स ये और एप्सिलॉन, बी डिराइव्स बी और एप्सिलॉन, और एस डिराइव्स ये बी. एस डिराइव्स ये बी. एस डिराइव्स ये बी. ठीक है? एस डिराइव्स ये बी. ये भी सही है. दिस आंसर इज राइट. दिस आंसर इज राइट. Can you give a right regular grammar? This is what? This is context free grammar. This is context free grammar. Can you give a regular grammar? This is context free grammar. This is context free grammar. Can you give a regular grammar? Can you give a regular grammar? This is context free grammar. Can you give a regular grammar? So guys, it is very difficult to do it for the first time, but I will give you the grammar for this. A star, B star. I will give you the grammar. Can anyone try regular grammar in the Telegram? In the Telegram channel. In the Telegram channel. Can anyone try for regular grammar? Can anyone try for right linear grammar? Can anyone try for right linear grammar? Who is this guy? श्री फनिश. श्री फनिश ने ये दिया है एस डिराइव्स एस और बी एस और एप्सिलॉन. ये क्या लैंग्वेज है? ये है ए प्लस बी स्टार. क्योंकि यू कैन जनरेट एनीथिंग. यू कैन जनरेट ए एस, you can generate bs or epsilon, you can generate anything, so it generates anything a plus b star, so it will generate everything a plus b star. Can anyone give me right linear grammar? Can anyone give right linear grammar for this? Can anyone give? No one is able to give it. No one is able to give it. I will give it. Just look at it. S derives as or a derives ba or epsilon. A derives ba or epsilon. This is the right linear grammar for this language. You can check it. This is the right linear grammar for this language. You can check it. You can check it. Hot water. Udi tablets marchada. So guys, how are we going to do this? So one thing is, if you want any number of A's, you can use this production. I will use this production and I will generate any number of A's. Now, after generating all A's I wanted, I can generate B's by going to A. B can generate any number of B's. B can generate any number of B's or epsilon. Now, if you see this, this is A star followed by B star. No one is able to answer it. It is little bit difficult to understand, but with practice you will be able to do such grammars, right? So this is the grammar. What is this grammar? This is the right linear grammar. This is the right linear grammar. This is the right linear grammar. Okay. Now you do it for this. A plus B whole star. A plus B whole star. Do it for this. Do it for this. A plus B whole star. A plus B whole star. So you can use RBR trick. You can use RBR trick. What is RBR trick? If you want a plus b whole star, then what you can write is s derives a or b, simply add ss or epsilon. Simply add these two. Whenever you write a grammar like this, it will become a plus b whole star, right? You can write right linear grammar and left linear grammar for this also. How can I write the right? Can you draw it? Can you do it in the Telegram channel? Give me right linear grammar and left linear grammar. Very good. Very good. Shashank, very good. Aniruddha, you cannot combine AB. Aniruddha has given this answer. Aniruddha has given S derives AB followed by SS or epsilon. What is the problem with this grammar? This is generating AB star. This is generating AB star. That is the problem with this grammar. That is the problem with this grammar. Right? That is the problem with this grammar. Right? What is the right linear grammar for this? I can write like this. S derives AS, BS or epsilon. I can generate any number of A's and B's, right? So if I want to generate AB, I will generate AS, BS and epsilon. If I have to generate BA, I will generate BS, AS or epsilon. Then it will become BA, right? So any string you want to generate, it can generate it. Now what is this grammar? This grammar is context-free grammar because SS is there, right? This grammar is right linear grammar. This grammar is right linear grammar. Now for the same example, you can give left linear grammar also. How can you give left linear grammar? S derives SCA or SB or epsilon. S derives SCA or SB or epsilon. You can generate anything. S derives SCA or S derives SB or epsilon, right? You can generate AB, BA, you can generate anything. You can generate AB, BA, you can generate anything. Okay? You can generate anything. Hello? Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. मुझे डिजिटल बोर्ड नहीं चाहिए. I have digital board. I want other things. Okay. So can it be done in 2-3 days? Please put some pressure on them. Please put some pressure on them. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. So you can generate any string using this left linear grammar. S derives SB, otherwise S derives SA, otherwise epsilon. Otherwise epsilon. ठीक है? ठीक है? Now, can anyone do 0 0 plus 1 1 0 star? Give me all possible grammars for 0 0 plus 1 1 0 star. I will look at your answers in the Telegram channel. Please post the answers in the Telegram channel. I will look at it in the Telegram channel. Please post. Please post in the Telegram channel. I am looking at your Telegram channel. Please post in the Telegram channel. No one is able to answer this. Is it so difficult? Is it so difficult that no one is able to answer it? Comments को थोड़ा adjust कर लेना. ठीक है, ठीक है। ज़ीरो ज़ीरो प्लस 110 स्टार. Can you do? Can you write this grammar for this? Can you write the grammar for this? No one has written it. Acha, someone has written it. Okay, okay, okay. Aniruddha, very good. Shashank, very good. Likesh, very good. Anuj, very good. Anuj ने 3 grammars दिया है. Anuj has given 3 grammars. Very good. Atay, very good. Atay has given 3 grammars. Debolina, you have given only 1 grammar, which is not right. Okay, I will try to solve it. Okay, so whenever such a grammar is given, use RBR trick. This is very easy, right? Using RBR trick is very easy. What does that mean? S derive 0 0 or 110 or SS or epsilon. This is very simple. This is very simple, right? Now, what is the other method? You can follow the other method by doing right linear grammar. S derive 0 0 S or 110 S or epsilon. Otherwise, I can write like this: S derives S00 or S110 or epsilon. S110 or epsilon. There are three. There are three grammars. There are three grammars. ठीक है? Can someone do for this? A plus B plus, put it in the Telegram channel. Someone do this and put it in the Telegram channel. Someone do this and put it in the Telegram channel. పరువం వానగా నేడు కురిసేనులే, ముద్దు మురిపాలలో ఈడు తడిసేనులే, నా వడిలోన ఒక వేడి సెగరేగెనే, ఆ తడిలోన ఒక తోడు ఎద కోరెనే, పరువం వానగా. Very good. Some people are able to do this. Very good. Who is this? Anuj. Anuj has given everything, but there is a small mistake, Anuj. You are doing a small mistake. Even Prashant has done a small mistake. And Shashank, you are right. You can give many, actually you can give many grammars, right? Right? So, I will show you RBR trick. First, let's do with RBR trick. First, let's do it with RBR trick. Let's take RBR trick and do it. Let's take RBR trick and do it. Okay. So, S derives. Let's do RBR trick. Let's see RBR trick and do it. Okay. S derives A or B or SS. Epsilon is not in the language, right? You don't have to write epsilon. Now, what are the other grammars? I can generate AS, BS, and you have to generate A or B. This is the minimal, right? You have to generate A or B. So, you can generate any number of A's and B's. Otherwise, the left linear grammar will be SA, SB or A or B, right? So, this grammar is context-free grammar. Why? Because there is SS here, right? And this grammar is regular grammar. In fact, this grammar is right linear grammar. And this grammar is left linear grammar. 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 Okay. So I will give you a question. I will give you 5 minutes. No one will be able to answer it. Just try to answer it. Okay. Put your answers in the Telegram channel. I will give you this question and I will give you 5 minutes. I will give you this question and I will give you 5 minutes. No one will be able to answer it. Put your answer in the Telegram channel. Put your answer in the Telegram channel. I am giving you 5 minutes. Put your answer in the Telegram channel. all of you have given it wrong. आप सब लोग wrong answer दिया है. एक काम करते हैं, we will not do this. We will not do this now. I will give you a simple grammar. First say for this grammar. S derives AS or SB or epsilon. Let's simplify it. कम से कम a simple grammar. Even at least for this simple grammar, you give me the CFG. You give me the CFG. You give me the language. Everyone has done it wrong. Everyone has done it wrong. At least for this grammar, you should be able to do this. I have given you a simple grammar. For big grammar, you are not able to do this. So I have given you a simple grammar. I have given you a very simple grammar. At least for this, you should be able to do this. No one is able to answer this. See, you are not revising the notes. You are coming to the class without revising the notes. Don't make me angry, okay? You are making me very, very angry. This is a very small question, simple question. We have solved a lot of questions. No one has revised them. Do one thing. Stop preparing for GATE. If you are not revising, if you are not serious, stop now. Stop preparing now. This is a very simple grammar. We have done so many grammars. You are not able to do this grammar. Stop it. Drop your preparation. If you are not going to give your 100%, there is no way you can get into top 100. Drop it now. Drop it now. No one is able to answer it. No one is able to answer it. One person is able to answer it. Shashank, very good. Harsh is able to answer it. Very good. Only 2 people are able to answer it. Right. See, I am always cool. I am always happy. I am always in a jovial mode. But if you are not doing revision, I will be very, very serious. Okay? ठीक है. Let me calm down. You people are giving me BP. What is this grammar? See this. S can generate AS. S can generate AS. S can generate AS. Or S can generate SB. S can generate SB. Or S can generate SB. And S is epsilon. Now if you observe this, it is very clear. What is it generating? It is generating any number of A's followed by any number of B's. It is simply A star B star. Simply A star B star. Still I am angry. Still I am angry. ठीक है, थोड़ा नॉर्मल मूड में आने दो. Let's go for a song. పోతా పోతా పైసలన్నీ పట్టుకపోతావారా, పెట్టుకున్నవన్నీ నువ్వు కట్టుకపోతావారా, పోరి పోరి అంటావు దాన్ని చుట్టుకుంటావారా, పెగ్ సక్క పోసి పెగ్గేస్తా ఆ ఆ ఆ ఆ. ठीक है. I am now in good mood. ठीक है, ठीक है. Now let's do the big question. Now let's do the big question. The big question is S derives ABS or SBA or epsilon. Okay, do for this. Write the answer in Telegram channel. పరువం వానగా నేడు కురిసేనులే ముద్దు మురిపాలలో ఈడు తడిసేనులే నా వడిలో నా ఒక తోడు ఎద కోరనే ఆ సడిలో నా ఒక తోడు ఎద కోరనే పరువం వానగా నేడు కురిసేనులే ముద్దు మురిపాలలో ఈడు తడిసేనులే. Very good. What will you get here? You will get a AB followed by AS, or you will get a AB followed by AS, or you will get a S followed by a BA, or you will get a S followed by a BA, and S will stop with epsilon. So what are you getting? You are getting AB star followed by epsilon followed by BA star, isn't it? Therefore, this is nothing but AB star BA star. So simple. It is so simple. Why are you not able to do this? Let me ask you one more question. What is the language generated by S derives SA, S derives SB or C? పరువం వానగా నేడు కురిసేనులే ముద్దు మురిపాలలో ఈడు తడిసేనులే నా వడిలో నా ఒక వేడి సెగరేగెనే ఆ సడిలో నా ఒక తోడు ఎద కోరనే పరువం వానగా నేడు కురిసేనులే ముద్దు మురిపాలలో ఈడు తడిసేనులే నా వడిలో నా ఒక వేడి సెగరేగెనే ఆ సడిలో నా ఒక తోడు ఎద కోరనే పరువం వానగా నేడు కురిసేనులే. Is the most loyal husband. Very good, very good. एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर बहुत लोग दिया है. एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर बहुत लोग दिया है. क्या होगा? S can derive AS, S can derive AS, S can derive SB, S can derive SB, and S can derive C. So what will happen? A, any number of A's followed by a C followed by any number of B's. If you observe it, S is deriving C also, which means there is no need of A and B at all. That is why you will get, now you will get A star, C, B star, right? Now there will be a confusion. The confusion is that there will be a confusion. Is the grammar equal to, is the language equal to A plus C, B plus, which means should we get at least one A and at least one B? No need. S is directly deriving C, therefore we are getting A star, C, B star. There is no need of at least one A or at least one B. There is no need of at least one A or at least one B. Okay. Okay. You have spoiled my mood. कितना अच्छा मूड में आता हूं, आप पूरा मूड बदल देते हैं. ठीक है. Tell me what is the language generated by this? S derives, XS, YS or Z? S derives, XS, YS or Z? Answer it in the telegram. Answer it in the telegram. No one is answering. No one is answering it right. No one is answering it right. One person has answered it. Sri Fanish. Very good. One person. One person has answered it. One person has answered it. One person has answered it. Try it. Everyone try it. This is a very simple grammar. Everyone try it. Everyone try it. So, what do you get? Many people are writing this. X star, Y star, Z. How is it equal to X star, Y star, Z? You should have some common sense. How is it equal to X star, Y star, Z? Where is your common sense? You try to derive these strings. See, from S, I can derive Sx, or I can derive Ys, or I can derive Z, or from S, I can derive Z, or from X, I can derive Ys, and from S, I can derive Sx, or Y, or Y, or Y. Right, right, right. So, what is generated? Any number of x and y's followed by a z. Any number of x and y's followed by a z. This is z. So, the language is x plus y star followed by a z. X plus y star followed by a z. X plus y star followed by a z is the language. Is the language. Right? Right? Do for this. S derives Sx, Sy or Z. S derives Sx, Sy or Z. Do for this. S derives Sx, Sy or Z. Sir, hello sir. अच्छा आप एग्रीमेंट आज भेज दीजिए सर। हेलो हेलो, क्या है? नंबर वन, नंबर वन। तो मैं, तो उसका नाम हटा देना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ठीक है। मैम का नाम हटा देना, केवीएन सुनीता, और मेरा नाम डाल देना। ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, मेरा नाम भेज देना। एंड बैंक अकाउंट। तो व्हाट्सएप कर देना डॉक्यूमेंट्स, लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स तो व्हाट्सएप कर देना, ठीक है। वो जो भी है व्हाट्सएप में लिख लेना, आई एम इन द क्लास, ओके। थैंक यू, थैंक यू। एस डिराइव्स एस एक्स एस वाई और जेड, ठीक है। So what is the grammar generated by this? Again people are saying x star y star z. You are making me angry. You are making me angry. Why don't you draw past trees and see? See this. S can derive Sx, S can derive Sy, Y can derive Z. Now what is this string? Z followed by Yx. Otherwise, S can derive Sy, or S can derive Sx, or S can derive Z. What is this string? Z followed by Yx. है ना? We are getting any string followed by a Z. Otherwise, we can also get S derive Z. Otherwise, we can also get S derive Z. S derive Z. Right, right. Now, what is the language for this? What is the language for this? The language is Z followed by any number of x's and y's. Z followed by any number of x's and y's. Now, if you have any doubt whether to put a star here or dot plus here, you can clearly see that Z is generated, which means X and Y are not generated. This is the answer. X and Y need not be generated, only Z can be generated. That is why X plus Y star. 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 ठीक है. Do for this. What is the language generated by 01S, S10 or 11? What is the language generated by this? Tell me your answers in Telegram channel. 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 No one is able to answer it correctly. Very few people have answered it. Very few people have answered it. This is very simple grammar, right? So what is happening here? S derives 0 1s, S derives 0 1s, otherwise S derives 1 0, otherwise S derives 0 1s, otherwise S derives S 1 0, S derives 0 1s, and then finally S derives 1 1. Now if you observe it, all 0 1s are coming together. After that there is a 1 1, and then all 1 zeros are coming. Hai na? Hai na? So you have to write 0 1 star followed by a 1 1 followed by a 1 0 star followed by a 1 0 star. Right? Right? పోతా పోతా పైసలన్నీ పట్టుకపోతావారా, పెట్టుకున్నవన్నీ నువ్వు కట్టుకపోతావారా, పోరి పోరి అంటావు దాన్ని చుట్టుకుంటావారా, చక్కపోసి పెగ్గేస్తా ఆ ఆ ఆ ఆ. मजा आ रहा है भाई? क्लास में मजा आ रहा है? क्लास में अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है. ये क्लास में अपना राज है, ठीक है, डरने की क्या बात है. ठीक है, तो यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. 0 1 star followed by 1 1 followed by 1 0 star. 1 0 star. Now you may get a doubt, why is it not 0 1 plus followed by 1 1 followed by 1 0 plus? Your answer can be answered because S can directly derive 1 1. S can directly derive 1 1, which means there is no need to derive 0 1 and 1 0 at all. That is why we are putting a star here. That is why we are putting a star here. ठीक है? ठीक है? That is why we are putting a star there. That is why we are putting a star there. That is why we are putting a star there. Okay? एक सिंपल सा ग्रामर करेंगे. एक सिंपल सा ग्रामर करेंगे. L equal to set of all strings of length 2. L equal to set of all strings of length 2. L equal to set of all strings of length 2. Set of all strings of length 2. एक काम करना, इसका डीएफए बना के दिखाना. एक काम करना, इसका डीएफए बना के दिखा देना. ठीक है?
मैंने बात कर लिया है, तो एक बार वो आपको कॉल करेंगे. राजेश मिश्रा नाम है, ठीक है. शायद आपके पास ऑलरेडी उनका नंबर था, पर मैंने अपने तरफ से बोल दिया है कि वो थोड़ा अर्जेंट बेसिस पे करवाने के लिए. सो एक बार आप उनका कॉल आएगा तो प्लीज यू कैन कनेक्ट.
डीएफए बना के लिखना पहले. डीएफए क्या होगा? डीएफए क्या होगा? डीएफए ये होगा कि ए कामा बी, ये बी, वन लेंथ स्ट्रिंग, ए कामा बी, ये बी, टू लेंथ स्ट्रिंग is accepted. A comma B, A B, A B, right? Right? So you can give a simple grammar. Whenever the language is finite, you can put all the finite states, finite strings in the grammar. For example, what is there in this language? In this language, we have AA, AB, BA, BB, right? You can directly write like this. S derives, I can write AA, AB, BA, BB. I can directly write like this, right? Otherwise, what I can do is, what is two length string? A plus B followed by A plus B, right? Now what I will do is, I will generate A comma B. So A derives A or B. Then I will put those A comma B together. S derives AA. I will put AA together. But this is non-regular. This is non-regular. This is regular. This is regular. This is both right linear grammar as well as left linear grammar, because there are no variables at all. Because there are no variables at all. Hannah, there are no variables at all. Right, right. There are no variables at all. Right, right. So, I can convert this finite automata into regular grammar. First, delete the dead state. First, delete the dead state. Dead state is not useful. So, delete the dead state. Now, see this. Capital A on small a is going to be, and capital A on small b is going to be, and capital B on small a is going to C, and capital B on small b is going to C, and C is a final state. That is why I write C derives epsilon. C is a final state. That is why I write C derives epsilon. C derives epsilon. Did you understand this method? Capital A on seeing A or B is going to B. On seeing A or B is going to B. Capital B on seeing A or B is going to C. And capital C on seeing epsilon. Capital C on seeing epsilon will go nowhere. It is the final state. So C determines E. C determines E. C determines E. Okay. Now I will give you one more question. String length is string length is string length is at most, I will see at least. String length is at least 2. Do it for this. First draw the finite automata. First draw the finite automata and do it for this. String length is at least 2. Draw the DFA for this. Have you drawn this in the Telegram group? Draw the DFA for this. Very good. Everyone is able to draw the DFA, but you have forgot to put epsilon for C. Very good. Everyone is able to do it, right? So draw the DFA. String length is at least 2. So A comma B is 1 length. A comma B is 1 length. And then string length is at least 2. A comma B, right? So A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. right? How can I write the grammar for this? There are multiple ways you can draw the grammar, right? So what is the regular expression for this? I will write the regular expression. What is the regular expression for this? A plus B followed by A plus B followed by A plus B star is the regular expression, right? First I will generate this, I will generate this, and I will generate this. First I will generate A comma B. A derives A comma B. Then I will generate A plus B star, right? So B derives AB, B derives AB or BB or epsilon, right? Now I will put all these three together. S derives B. 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 Okay. S derives B, right? Now from this finite automata also you can draw the grammar. See this, capital A on seeing small a is going to B, on seeing small b is going to B, and capital B on seeing small a is going to C, and on seeing small b is going to C, and capital C on seeing small a is going to C, on seeing small b is going to C, or it is going to epsilon. What is this, guys? This is right linear grammar. A finite automata can be converted to right linear grammar easily. But then if you have to convert it to left linear grammar, there is a process I will explain you. There is a process I will explain you. Okay? So 1 hour is over. We will take a quick break for 3 minutes. We will take a quick break for 3 minutes and then we will start. Okay? We will take a quick break for 3 minutes and then we will start. इसका दाना starting with A and ending with B. Starting with A and ending with B. A से शुरू होना है और B से एंड होना है. Do it. Do it. Do it. No one is able to do this. It is very simple. Do it. So it should start with a A and end with a B, right? What is the regular expression for this? A followed by A plus B star followed by B. Now at least you should be able to do this. Now at least you should be able to do this. I have given you the answer. I have given you the entire answer. At least now you should be able to do this. At least now you should be able to do this. At least now you should be able to do this. So all that you need to do is generate A plus B star. How can you generate A plus B star? I will generate A plus B star in many ways. I can write like this, A. I can write like this, S derives A, BA, right? Or epsilon. And then S derives, initially you put A and then B. This is one way. Other way of writing it is, I can write like this, S derives A or AB or epsilon. This will generate A plus B star. Then you can put A, B, right? Otherwise you can use RBR trick. What is RBR trick? A plus B star. For A plus B star you can write like this, S derives A or B or A or epsilon, and then S derives, initially you put A and then in the middle you put B and then this. Simple है ना? अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. दरवाजे को गंडे मारो, कोई ना अंदर आने पाए. आरबीआर को समझा दो, म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना पाए. टकर टकर जो फील करे वो जाके 2 कप कॉफी पी ले. जिसको डांस नहीं आता है जाके अपना best charaye, dance with me, जी भर के नाचना, dance with me, ठीक है, dance for my tunes, ठीक है, starting and ending with different symbols, 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 starting and ending with different symbols. Starting and ending with different symbols. If it starts with A, it should end with B. If it starts with B, it should end with A. Starting and ending with different symbols. ठीक है? So first write the regular expression. ठीक है? So some people have given it right, some people have given it wrong, some people have given DFA also. Some people have given DFA also, and from DFA you can generate right linear grammar as well. Okay, so I'll just tell you how to do this. I will just tell you how to do this. What is the regular expression for this? Starting with A and then ending with A, starting and ending with different symbols, right? Starting with A, ending with B, plus starting with B and then ending with A, starting with B and ending with A, right? So you can generate A plus B star in many ways. I have told you 3 ways to generate A plus B star, right? So if I write like this, A derives AA or BA or epsilon, it means A plus B star will be generated. If I write B derives AB, BB or epsilon, it means A plus B star will be generated. BA, BB or epsilon. Otherwise, there is RBR trick. What is RBR trick? C derives A or B followed by CC or epsilon. Followed by CC or epsilon. This will also generate A plus B star. This will also generate A plus B star. This will also generate A plus B star. Anyway, you are able to generate A plus B star in these 3 ways. Now what you should do, S derives A followed by A plus B star followed by B, or S derives B followed by A plus B star followed by A. It's over. It's over. But what is this grammar? This grammar is context-free grammar. This grammar is context-free grammar, and this is not regular, right? We can get the regular grammar also. What is the question? Starting and ending with A, right? Starting and ending with different symbols. Starting and ending with different symbols. Starting and ending with different symbols. Now, can you write the regular grammar for this and post it on the Telegram? Can you write the regular grammar for this and post it on the Telegram? Can you write the regular grammar for this and post it on the Telegram? So if you are going to start with a A, you should end with a B. You should end with a B. If you are going to start with a, you should end with a B. Any number of B's, it is ending with B only. If I get a, I will go back and wait for a B, right? If I start with a B, it should end with a. If I start with a B, it should end with a. And any number of A's I get, I should accept it. And if I get a B, I will go back and wait for a. Right? This is a DFA. This is a DFA. ठीक है? After seeing a, I can see any number of A's, still it will end with B. After seeing a B, I can see any number of B's, still it will end with B. Now let us say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is the final state, this is D, this is E, this is the final state, right? Now you can easily convert this finite automata into regular grammar, right? So what is happening? Capital A on seeing small a is going to be, capital A on seeing small a is going to be, and capital A on seeing small b is going to D, on seeing small b is going to D, right? Right? Now, if I look at capital B, on seeing small a will go to B, on seeing small a will go to B, and on seeing small b will go to C, or on seeing small b will go to C. Now, if I see C, C on seeing small b is going to C, C on seeing small c is going to C, and C on seeing small a is going to B, and this is a final state, so put epsilon, right? Put epsilon. Now let's see what happens with D. D, D on seeing, D on seeing B is going to D. D on seeing A is going to E, right? D on seeing A is going to E. D on seeing A is going to E, right? So D is complete on A and B. Now let's see for E. E on seeing A is going to E, and E on seeing B is going to D, and E is deriving epsilon. E is deriving epsilon because it is a final state, right? Now whatever grammar you got is right linear grammar. Whatever grammar you got is right linear grammar. Whatever grammar you got is actually right linear grammar. If you want to do a context-free grammar, this is the context-free grammar. This one is context-free grammar. But since the language is regular, we can use the regular grammar. I have given the right linear grammar. Later we will see how to get the left linear grammar. Okay. So I will give you one more question. You try to answer it. I will give you one more question. You try to answer it. Starting and ending with same symbol. Starting and ending with same symbol. Try to do this. Starting and ending with same symbol. Try to do this. Starting and ending with same symbol. Post your answers in the Telegram channel. Post your answers in the Telegram channel. Yeah, you are trying hard, but my question is starting and ending with same symbol. You made a small mistake. Sri Fanish. Sri Fanish, you made a small mistake in the regular grammar. You made a small mistake in the regular expression. And who is this? Prashant. Prashant, you made a small mistake in the regular expression. You are not revising the notes. That is the problem. You are not revising the notes. That is the problem. You are not revising the notes. That is the problem. Hello? You need to message with no address field. Address field. Address के items वगैरह publish four value items. Two listed never present. 14 KBS with a madam delivery value time. You can make a control. Location publish. Then these are madam. Cover comes. Okay, sir. Starting and ending with same symbol. So I will tell you what mistake you made. I will tell you what mistake you made. The regular expression for this is epsilon starts and ends with same symbol, A starts and ends with same symbol, B starts and ends with same symbol, and then if it is starting with A, it should end with a, and then if it is starting with B, it should end with a B, and then if it starts with a B, it should end with a B. Right? This is the regular expression. Now generate the grammar for this. How can I generate it? You can generate A star, you can generate A plus B star. How can you generate A plus B star? There are many ways I told you, right? I can write like this. A derives A or AB, A or epsilon. B derives A or I will write A only. A derives A or AB or epsilon. Otherwise, I can write like this. A derives AS, AA or epsilon. AS, AA or epsilon. AS, AA or epsilon. AS, AA or epsilon. A derives AB. AB or AA or epsilon. All these will generate A plus B star. Right. Now what do I want? S will derive epsilon or A or B or A followed by A followed by A or B followed by A followed by B. A followed by A followed by A or B followed by A followed by B. Right? So this is the context free grammar. What is this grammar? This is the context free grammar because A is not present in the right hand or A is not present in the left hand. A is not present in the right hand. A is not present in the left hand. Can you give me a regular grammar for this? Can you give me a regular grammar for this? హలో అన్న కేవిఎన్ మేడంది లేట్ అయిపోయింది. కేవిఎన్ మేడంది లేట్ అయిపోయింది. 7:30 అన్న వాళ్ళకి మ్యాప్ షేర్ చేయన్న మ్యాప్. ఇంకోటి ఇప్పుడు ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్కి 4 నల్లి ఓకే. Okay guys, now let's see this. Let's try to give the regular grammar. Let's try to give the regular grammar for this, right? Now what is the language? The language is starting and ending with same symbol, right? So how can I draw the starting and ending with same symbol? Epsilon is there in the language, and A, if I get a A, I have to accept it. Let us say this is A, this is B. If I get a B, I should accept it. This is C. Now, if I get a, I will go to a different state and wait there. And once I get a B, I will come back. What is this? Starting and ending with same symbol, right? So starting with B and ending with B. Similarly here also, if I get a B, I will go and wait in a different channel. I will go and wait in a different state. And once I get a A, I will come back. Once I get a A, I will come back. Right? Now here I will wait on any number of A's. Here I will wait on any number of B's. This is the DFA, right? Check this. This is DFA. A. After A, any number of A's can come. Then any number of A's can come. This is still ending with B. After a B, any number of B's can come. This is still ending with B. It is starting and ending with same symbol, right? So this is the DFA, right? This is the DFA. Okay. Now from this DFA, you can directly use the finite regular language, right? Regular grammar. Capital A on seeing small a is going to B, on seeing small b is going to C. Capital A on seeing small a is going to B, on seeing small b is going to C, and capital A is the final state, so add epsilon. Now what about capital B? Capital B on seeing A is going to B, let's write it as D, let's write it as E, right? And capital D on seeing capital A on seeing B is going to D. So it is done. Now B is also a final state, therefore put an epsilon there. What about D? 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 D on seeing a D, it will go to D. Capital D on seeing a B. Capital D on seeing a B will go to D. Capital D on seeing a will go to B. It is not a final state. Now what about C? C on seeing a is going to E. C on seeing a is going to E, right? And C on seeing a B, C on seeing a B is going to C. C on seeing a B is going to C. And C is a final state, so epsilon. Now what about E? What about E? What about E? E on seeing a is going to E. E on seeing a B is going to C, right? So this is the right linear grammar for the given language. Right linear grammar for the given language. I will give you one challenge. I will give you one challenge. I will give you a grammar. I will give you a grammar. If any one of you answers it, if any of one of you answers what that language is, I will refund your entire fee. I will give you one grammar. If any one of you answers it correctly, I will refund your entire physics wala fee. 7,000 or 8,000, whatever you have paid, I will refund that fee. I will give you one grammar. If you are able to answer that grammar, I will give you entire everything for free. I will give you the entire course for free. I will refund your money. Will you take this challenge? Will you take this challenge? But then, those who have already attended my classes should not take this. Be very honest. If you have already attended my class, don't take the challenge, okay? I have invented a grammar called RBR grammar. I have invented a grammar called RBR grammar. RBR grammar. And the grammar is like this. Yes. This is RBR grammar. I invented this grammar. So beautiful grammar, you will fall in love with it. If I explain you the beauty of it, you will fall in love with it. Take 5 minutes time, analyze it, and tell me what the answer is in the telegram. Don't answer before 10 minutes. Don't answer before 10 minutes. Don't write in the comments your answer. I will ask you. Okay? I will ask you. I will ask you. Try to answer this. This is a very beautiful grammar that I have designed. This is called RBR grammar. You will find it only in my textbook. In my compiler design textbook, you will find this example. Can anyone answer this? हार गए क्या सब लोग? Try to answer this. What does this grammar derive? What is this grammar deriving? Try to answer this. No one? एक आदमी भी नहीं कर पाएगा? No one? No one can do this? करके दिखाए जिसके बम में है दम. Okay, I will wait, Prashant. I will wait. I will wait. This is called RBR grammar. Aniruddha, you are wrong. Aniruddha, you are wrong. This is called RBR grammar. You will not find it in any textbook. You will not find it in any textbook. I will give you time, but answer it. I will give you time, but you have to answer it. I will give you time, but you have to answer it. Tell me you gave up. Tell me you gave up. I will explain the answer. No one in Telegram has answered it. No one in Telegram has answered it. No one in Telegram has answered it. Aniruddha, wrong. Tell me you gave up. I will explain it. You gave up. You can't do this. You gave up. You can't do this. Tell me you gave up, and I will answer it. Prashant, Aniruddha, Aditya. Tell me you gave up. I will answer it. Tell me you gave up. I will answer it. Okay, I will give you one more minute. I will give you one more minute. Pushpendra, try. Don't give up. Never give up. If I explain this grammar, you will fall in love with RBR. If I explain this grammar, you will fall in love with TOC and you will fall in love with RBR. How many of you are in love with me? How many of you are in love with RBR? How many of you are in love with RBR? If I explain this grammar, you will love this grammar and you will love me. You will love this grammar and you will love me. If I explain this grammar, you will love this grammar and you will love me. Did you give up? Shall I explain? Shall I explain? Someone tell me, are you still trying or should I explain? If I explain this grammar, this will become your favorite grammar and RBR will become your favorite teacher. With just one grammar, you will fall in love with me. Should I explain? Should I explain? भाई ये तो बताओ कि you gave up. Everyone is trying. No one is saying that we give up. Finally bata do, at least that you gave up. I will explain you what this grammar is. You want one more minute? Take one more minute. This is a beautiful grammar. This is the most beautiful grammar of TOC. This is the most beautiful grammar of TOC and this grammar is called RBR grammar. Gave up? Gave up? Everyone gave up. Everyone gave up. Okay? So I will explain you. Okay? See this. See this. S derives equal number of A's and B's. मतलब S क्या derive करता है? S derives equal number of A's and B's. It means it will derive AB, it will derive BA, it will derive AABB, it will derive ABAB, it will derive BBAA, so on. Right? S will derive equal number of A's and B's. right? Now S will derive one A and it will tell this capital A to generate a extra. Oh, there is a small change here. Okay, there is a small change here. S will derive equal number of A's and B's. Now what will S do? S will derive a and it will say B to derive a extra B. So what is the purpose of B? It has to generate an extra B or an extra B followed by equal number of A's and B's, or what is the responsibility of B? It has to generate an extra B, but it has generated an extra A. Therefore, the punishment is go and derive two extra B's. Now, if you look this, S has derived a B, S has derived a B. Now it has to derive an extra A, right? So S can derive an extra A directly or an extra A followed by equal number of A's and B's. Now what is the purpose of A? To derive an extra A. What is the purpose of A? To derive an extra A. The purpose of A is to derive an extra A. Now we are deriving an extra B. We are deriving an extra B. We are deriving an extra B. Now the punishment for A is derive two extra A's. How many of you understood this? Should I explain this again? Should I explain this again? How many of you understood this? Should I explain this again? Pushpendra wants once again. Let me explain this once again. Okay. I will explain this once again. Pushpendra wants once again. Okay. So what is S doing? S is generating equal number of A's and B's. So if S generates a, then I have to generate a extra B. If X generates a B, then I have to generate a extra A. What is the purpose of A? The purpose of A is to generate an extra A. It can directly generate a. It can directly generate a, or it can generate a followed by equal number of A's and B's. One extra A is generated. Or if it generates a B, the punishment is you generate two A's. Right? Now what about B? B has to generate an extra B. B has to generate an extra B, or B can generate a extra B followed by any number of equal number of A's and B's. Now if B generates A, if B generates A, if B generates A, then if B generates A, if B generates A, then it should generate BB. If B generates a, it should generate two B's. I will explain you again. Try to understand this. What is the purpose of A? Purpose of A is it should generate equal number of A's and B's. It should generate equal number of A's and B's, right? But S has generated one A. What is the purpose of B? It has to generate an extra B, which means it can directly generate B, which is an extra B, or it can generate a B followed by equal number of A's and B's, which means extra B is generated. But if it generates a, the punishment is you generate two extra B's. You are asked to generate a B, but you have generated a, so you generate two extra B's. So you generate two extra B's. Now S has generated a B. S has generated a B. What is the purpose of A? The purpose of A is to generate. The purpose of A is to generate an extra A. It can directly generate an extra A or a followed by equal number of A's and B's. or a followed by equal number of a's and b's, a followed by equal number of a's and b's, or the purpose of a is to generate a b, but it has the purpose of a is to generate a extra a, but it has generated a extra b. Now the punishment is generate two extra a's, generate two extra a's, generate two extra a's. आदित्य समझ में आया? सुमिता समझ में आया? प्रकाश समझ में आया? Everyone understood now? Please confirm in the comments. Everyone understood this. Everyone understood this? कुछ तो लिखो यार कमेंट्स में, ऐसा लगता है कि मैं किसी को पढ़ा नहीं रहा हूं. कुछ तो बोलो अबाउट द क्वेश्चन. मजा आ गया? Okay, we will take a small break. Now we have passed 2 hours. We will take a small break. Okay, we will take a small break. ठीक है? We will take a small break and we'll come back. నైట్ అన్ని సేమ్ అంతేనా? డే టైంలో ఒకటి ఎక్స్ట్రా యాడ్ చేశాడు. फ्रॉम 21st ऑनवर्ड्स पार्टी तो रात में चलेगी 11 AM to 1 PM. इफ यू वांट आई कैन डू टिल 2 PM. एक बात बताना, आपको आपको 11 AM से 1 11 PM, आपको 11 PM से 1 AM चाहिए, या ये बताओ कि 11 PM से 2 AM चाहिए. ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी, विच वन विल यू चूज, ए और बी? Which one will you choose, A or B? Which one will you choose, A or B? Which one will you choose, A or B? Okay. From 21st onwards, our classes will be from 11 AM, 11 PM to 2 AM. बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले दे दू वार्निंग, पार्टी चलेगी टिल 2 in the morning. बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले दे दू वार्निंग, पार्टी चलेगी टिल 2 in the morning. ठीक है, till 2 in the morning party will go on. ठीक है, now answer this question. A power n b power n such that n is greater than or equal to 1. A power n b power n such that n is greater than or equal to 1. Give the grammar for this and give the grammar in the Telegram channel. Give the grammar in the Telegram channel. टेलीग्राम में फटाफट लिख लो. अगर आप मुझे ज्यादा टाइम दिया है तो मैं ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस कर सकता हूं. पूरा PSUs को पूरा PYQs को कवर कर सकता हूं. A power n b power n such that n is greater than or equal to 1. A power n b power n such that n is greater than or equal to 1. वेरी गुड. इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ना, S derives yes AS B और AB. डायरेक्टली ए बी जनरेट कर सकता है, नहीं तो इक्वल नंबर ऑफ एस एंड बी जनरेट कर सकता है. डायरेक्टली ए बी जनरेट कर सकता है, नहीं तो इक्वल नंबर ऑफ एस एंड बी को जनरेट कर सकता है. ठीक है, ठीक है ना. आप इसके बारे में बोलो. कुछ स्ट्रिंग W है, सिग्मा इक्वल टू ए कामा बी. सिग्मा इक्वल टू ए कामा बी एंड W बिलोंग टू ए कामा बी स्टार. अगर मैं WWR लिखूंगा, मतलब W फॉलोड बाय रिवर्सल ऑफ W फॉलोड बाय रिवर्सल ऑफ W, ये क्या लैंग्वेज है? W followed by reversal of W. What is this language? W followed by reversal of W. What is this language? वेरी गुड. ये होगा palindrome है ना. If I take W equal to A B, then W power R क्या होगा by reversal? B A होगा. Then if I write W R, what will happen? A B followed by B A. Now you read it from this side or you read it from this side. Both will give you same answer. Read it from right or read it from left. Can you generate a grammar for this? Can you generate a context free grammar for this? ये language जो है WWR, this is not regular. हम regular grammar नहीं दे सकते हैं. This is not regular. We cannot give regular grammar. Can you generate a regular grammar for this? Can you generate a context free grammar for this? Answer it in the telegram. Answer it in the telegram. Answer it in the telegram. కొంచెం ఇంపార్టెంట్ పీపుల్ అనిపించాలి అడుగుతాను లేకపోతే అడిగేవాడు. నీకు షేర్ చేయమని నాకు కూడా షేర్ చేయొక్కసారి. So what is this? This is even length palindrome. This is even length palindrome. The length of the palindrome is even. How can you generate this? If I generate a इधर देखना. If I generate a in the beginning, I should generate a in the ending. If I generate a in the beginning, I should generate a in the ending. If I generate a B in the beginning, I should generate B in the beginning. B in the beginning. Right. Right. So S derives ASA or BSB or epsilon. That's it. S derives ASA or BSB or epsilon. That's it. What is this grammar? This grammar is context free grammar which will generate even length palindromes. Which will generate even length palindromes. Even length palindromes. Now tell me about this. If I write sigma equal to A comma B, sigma equal to A comma B, sigma equal to A comma B, and the language is sigma equal to A comma B, sigma equal to A comma B, sigma equal to A comma B, and the language is WA WR union WB WR. Can someone tell me what this language is? WA WR union WB WR. Can someone say what this language is? Can someone say what this language is? WA WR union WB WR. Can someone say what this language is? What is this? This is odd length palindrome. If I take W, here what is W? W belong to A comma B star. W belong to A comma B star. W belong to A comma B star. Right. Right. W belong to A comma B star. Right. Right. So if W is equal to ABB, what will this be? This will become, what is WR? WR equal to BBA. Now, what is WAWR? What is WAWR? WAWR is ABB followed by a followed by a BBA. This is a palindrome. This is a palindrome, right? But what is this palindrome? Odd length palindrome. Odd length palindrome. Hannah. Now, if you take W equal to ABB and W power R equal to BBA, W power R equal to BBA, then what is WBWR? What is WBWR? WBWR is ABB BBA. Okay, so this is a odd length palindrome. 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 Okay. This is a odd length palindrome. How can you give the grammar for this? Whenever you generate a, you have to generate a, right? So S derives A, S, A, or B, S, B, or. Now what is the smallest string in the language? WWR belongs to A comma B star. Matlab, this can go to epsilon, this can go to epsilon, this can go to epsilon, this can go to epsilon. So you have to generate A and B. You have to generate A as well as B. So this is the context-free grammar. This is the context-free grammar for what? For odd length palindromes. For odd length palindromes. This is the context-free language for odd length palindromes. Odd length palindromes, right? Now, if I ask all palindromes, if I say sigma equal to A comma B and the language is set of all palindromes, and the language is set of all palindromes, and the language is set of all palindromes. How are you going to do this? L equal to set of all palindromes. You have to just combine both of them. You already know what is even length palindrome. Hai na? A S A, otherwise B S B, otherwise epsilon. You already know what is even length palindrome. Now you have to add odd length palindromes. What do you add? A or B. Now what is this? This is the context-free grammar for all palindromes. 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 Okay. So let's quickly revise what we have seen today. Let's quickly revise what we have seen today. So first we have done for A star B star, right? But if you write like this, AB, this is going to be AB star. This is not A star B star. You can generate A star, you can generate B star, and you can put them side by side. So actually this is a context-free grammar, Now if you want to give a regular grammar, you can give it. What is A star B star? A star B star is A will be here, any number of A's will be accepted, and then a B, any number of B's will be accepted, and then on A there will be a dead state. There will be a dead state, right? Now let us say this is B. Now remove this, remove the dead state, remove the dead state. Now what is remaining? Capital A on seeing a small a is going to A. How are you reaching A? Capital A on seeing a small a is reaching A. On seeing a small b is reaching B. And A is the final state. So epsilon should be present. What about this? Capital B on seeing a small b will go to B. On seeing a small b will go to B, and this is anyway removed. Dead state is removed, therefore it is epsilon. Therefore it is epsilon. This is the right linear grammar for A star B star. This is the right linear grammar for A star B star, right? And then I have given you one more right linear grammar. This is also right linear grammar, right? This one is also right linear grammar for the same language. And then we have seen A plus B star. A plus B star, we have applied the RBR trick. What is RBR trick? Write AB, SS and epsilon. This is RBR trick, right? Otherwise, you can write like this: AS, BS or epsilon. Your wish, whatever you want to write. Okay. Then we have seen 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 0 star. We have applied RBR trick. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, SS or epsilon will give you 0, 0 plus 1, 0. Otherwise, you can write like this: 0, 0 followed by S, 1, 1, 0 followed by S. And then A plus B star. Again, we have applied the RBR trick, right? So, A plus B plus I. So, epsilon is removed and we got A and B as the initial state, right? Right? Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Aditya. So, we have seen this grammar which is generating AB star followed by BA star. And we have seen this grammar where C is coming in the middle. C is coming in the middle, right? And then we have seen this grammar where Z is followed by X plus Y star. And then we have seen this grammar which is 0, 1 star, 1, 1, 1, 0 star. And then we have seen this grammar, string length is at least 2. I have taken the finite automata and converted it into right linear grammar. And then starting with A and ending with B, we have done this, right? You can also do, what is this grammar, guys? Starting with A, ending with B. This is a context-free grammar, right? This is a context-free grammar. You can do regular grammar also. Starting with A, ending with B, starting with A, ending with B, ending with B. So, any number of B's starting with A and ending with B, right? If I start with a B, I should kill it. Otherwise, if it is ending with B, I should accept it. Let me write A, B, C here. Let me write A, B, C here. If it is ending with B, any number of B's are accepted. If it is ending with A, any number of, if I get a I should wait for a B, right? Now, this is the dead state, trap state. Remove this. Then you write the grammar. What is it? Capital A on seeing A is going to capital B. Capital B on seeing B is going to capital C. And capital C on seeing a B, it is going to capital C. On seeing a it is going to capital B. And C is a final state. Therefore, you write epsilon. This is the right linear grammar for this language. Right linear grammar for this language, right? Guys, I want all of you to do one thing. I want all of you to do one thing. If you promise, I will ask. I want a promise from you. I want a promise from you. If you promise, I will ask something from you. If you promise, I will ask something from you. Say promise in the comments. If you promise something, I will ask you for a favor. If you promise something, I will ask you for a favor. Say promise in the comments and I will ask you. If you say yes, if you say promise, I will ask you for something. If you say promise, I will ask you for something. Okay, the promise is go to Telegram channel and write how today's class is. Not in one line, write a paragraph. Detailedly write how the class is. If I have done anything wrong or if my class is not good, write a detailed feedback. I want feedback from you. Please write a detailed feedback in Telegram channel telling me where to improve, how to improve. If the classes are good, you can say that class is good, class is exceptional, class is awesome. But if it is not good, please tell me how I can improve and how can I become a better teacher. Okay, please open your Telegram channel and I will see your comments. Please open your Telegram channel. Please open your Telegram channel and I will see your comments.